Hey there folks, it is me, RandomJosh, and we are back again with another face mask Friday video. And today I have something fun. For me at least, it's fun. We have mail. This is the mystery bag from Mitchell. I don't even know if that's how we are saying it, but it is for me. This is made by Mitchell. I've always wanted to try some of the products that they do. So seeing that they were doing a mystery bag deal on Beauty Bay for like £24–25, with, I believe it said like a value of like 70 at least. I just literally was like, do you know what a way to test products. I love a good bargain. So seeing it, I was like, yes, let me do it. So I don't know what we're gonna get in this. I have no idea how many products. It feels like there's a few. There's definitely a good couple in there. So I guess let's just crack this open. I'm hoping for at least a blush, because I think those look stunning. There's got to be a blush. Oh my god. Oh. First of all, it smells really weird in this bag. Like, not a bad weird, a good kind of weird. It's the first thing that I saw. We have a brush. It comes in its own little baggie. What brush is this though? It looks like a quite a large fluffy brush. But let's actually crack this out. This is MF5. Now I have no idea off the top of my head because I have not obviously prepared any of these, but I don't know what this is dedicated for. It looks kind of like an angled maybe contour or blush brush. It's very thick. Oh, she thick. Kind of, you know, like getting into like, because it's angled. That's what I'm thinking, you know. It's a really nice quality brush. It feels sturdy. The fibers feel really good. It feels really soft. I know myself too well. I'm not going to end up using it. Not because, well, I might end up using it in the long run because it does feel good, but I'm going to probably be like one of those people that will just hold on to this for dear life, not wanting to use it and dirty it up and ruin it. But gorgeous. Okay. We have All Smudge No Budge. Oh, is this the eyeliner pencil? Hello. This is in Charisma. Charisma, uniqueness. Right. Oh, is it a green? Is it green? It's green! Oh wow! That's really cool. And then, does this end come off or something? Because I can see something down there. Or is it like a twisty push up or something? I don't know. My hands are probably a little bit sticky because I put on a little bit of cream on my neck. But we will have a proper delve into this and look at the actual colour itself. I want to swatch, of course, but let's look at the rest of these products as well. It got a beauty blender as well. And it comes in a little baggie. I love these little bags. They're cute. But yeah, it's got the logo on it. It's super squishy. So soft feeling, really bouncy. Ooh. Yeah, super squishy, super like fluffy feeling. Cherish that. Oh, we have blush. Minted. What is this? Blursh Dreams? Liquid blusher. Liquid blusher. Is this blue? I swear if this is fucking blue, I'm gonna... It's blue. I need a minute. Oh my god, this is wild. Oh, it smells quite nice. Look at that. It's like a really gorgeous blue colour as well. Oh! I wonder what that's gonna look like as actual blush. Blue blush? I mean, we can make it work. That's so fierce. Oh my god, we have the Gel Glaze Cream Eyeshadow in Pink Monday. This looks intense. It's so pink. I'm gonna have to open it so you can actually... Oh, of course it's sealed. I mean, you can see from the side there just how like pink that really is. Oof. It's like electric pink and it's got like shimmer in it. Oh, I don't want to take the lid off, but I kind of do. I'm doing it. Oh! I've never felt this way. It's so pretty. Oh my god, I'm leaving the lid on because I'm scared. That's stunning. I'm gonna have to do like a Barbie look now, aren't I? Can we make blue blush and whatever else? We have another blush. Can't cope with coral. We have coral. We have an actual like normal shade. This is stunning. That's a really nice shade actually. Really like toned back, which is good. Give you the proper look. These look stunning. And that wraps up the products. So, quite a few, well, I say quite a few, we've got a few products there to test out and stuff. Kind of 4 actual like products and then 2 tools, which I'd say is a pretty decent bargain for 25 quid. I'm not gonna sit there and, you know, complain about that now, let's be honest. Yeah, I guess let's have a little look at actual swatches. I'm just gonna bring you in a little bit more so that you can actually get into this a little bit, you know. So this is the All Smudge No Budge liner. That's so nice. Really pigmented as well. I mean, it doesn't show heavily on camera, but it is actually really pigmented. I think it's just because of the like type of color. It's that light green, but that's so gorgeous. And that just applied so smoothly. Oh. I don't know where I'm gonna find a use for that kind of shade of green, but you know, we can make it work. This Gel Glaze Cream Eyeshadow, I'm so nervous to swatch this. I don't even wanna like have this open or like ruin it. Okay, we can use it a little bit. Like literally, barely, you can't even see it, barely touched it. You know, not even made a dent in it, and it's already, you know, got quite a bit on there. I'm gonna just, oh, so you can really like, sorry, really like kind of buff that out and like just use a really small amount, and just, you know, add a nice little kind of topper of shimmer, or I guess if you really want something crazy, you can just like dab the kind of colour on and pack it on a little bit more, and you can see just how like intense that's now transformed into. Oh, that's a really nice picture. I'm living. Okay, and then we have our Blursh. So this is minted. So let's just do this. Oh, let me shift myself over, that might be easier. We're gonna go, oh, that's cute. That's super cute. Sorry. That's really nice. Like, look at just how, oh. And then if we like blend that in, oh, it's just, it can kind of transform into a really just like cool toned. Oh, I've got ideas for days now when I do my next icy winter look. This is what I need in life. Okay, and then can't cope with coral. This is probably more of an everyday one. Yes. Yes. Giving me life. This is just gorgeous. I mean, come on. Now, come on now, sis. Again, we can buff that right out and just make it a lot more wearable and natural. That's stunning. That is absolutely getting used and abused by me for sure. Oh my gosh. So that is the products from Made by Mitchell. I'm loving. This is, you know, fueling my desire to get the, I think they sometimes sell collections of these, like a big bundle of like the various colours and shades. It's giving me, you know, I'm gonna have to get that if and when it next comes out, because one, I love a bundle, two, I would want every single bloody shade anyway. Might not use every single shade, but I just want the options, you know? Do you know what? I kind of want to apply a little bit on my actual cheek. Just because I want to see what it looks like on one. I can't even see from this distance. I should have got my mirror. Okay, I've made it very wild. But it is so cute. And the good things I find with creams is that like you can really get like a good blend. So like you can blend it to how you want it. So whether you want it a little bit more poppy, like whereas I feel like sometimes when you've got a powder, obviously the more you keep working on and dragging it around, it just does not get any fucking like more blended half the time. Especially with me, because I'm a bit chaotic. But no, this is stunning on the face. Oh. But yeah, overall thoughts and feelings. Is the mystery bag worth it? If you are a makeup fanatic such as myself, who likes to try different bits of makeup, and maybe you haven't actually had the chance, like myself yet, of actually trialing some of the Made by Mitchell products, I would absolutely recommend this. I think this is a really good introduction to the you know, type of makeup that they're providing. It gives you a bit of a taster on some of the goodies. and it's, you know, affordable as well for like people that maybe are like still in that umming and ahhing, do I have enough money? Because listen, makeup products are expensive. Let's be real talk. We're in a cost of like living crisis. Money isn't like flying off of trees everywhere for a lot of us, so you know, finding those little cuts and like deals that we can swing on to is always very nice. So yeah, I'd recommend it to anyone who is like I say, makeup fanatic, you know, wanting to try a little bit of something different, maybe hasn't tried any of these products, is a really good introduction. However, if you have tried the products, I mean, if you want to, it's still like a really good option for like getting a few of the products. It's, like I say, it's a mystery bag, so you don't know what you're really gonna get. So I always like those because it gives me a little bit of a surprise when I'm like, oh, feels like a birthday. But yeah, highly recommend it. As always, all details of this particular product, and I'll try and have a little hunt through for all the individual products as well and list them down below for you, so that if you see anything particularly that you like, or if you want to investigate the actual mystery bag yourself, if it is still on sale, I hope it is. It's been on sale for a while now, so I'm hoping that it kind of stays on, because it is a really cool, unique way of selling the products. But if you would like that, check on down below. And yeah, thank you all so much for sticking tuned with today's video. I hope you have enjoyed. If you have, of course, please head on down below, click on that subscribe button, join the family, and hit that notification bell also to be notified of when I do post future videos such as this. And yeah, I hope that you have enjoyed this. I certainly have. And yeah, I will see each and every one of you folks in the next video. Peace out, bitches.